This is the 116 Plus. It's an incredibly inexpensive, good starter fitness, health, workout band. Shows you your step count, pedometer information, calories burned. It's got a health fitness area where you can do running or badminton, climbing, riding. Those activities are available against time. You also have your basic heart rate information, and it's relatively quick, and when it gives you your numbers, it will assess your values and also show you on the same screen your step count and calories burned. You have blood pressure in this one as well, in millimeters of mercury, systolic over diastolic, again with steps and calories shown, and it can calculate your blood oxygen levels as well. All three of those in this tiny little fitness band. You also have available to you a tethering link to the phone. You can find your phone, you can see messages pushed from your phone, and you get your tethering information right here, and of course can turn the band off by pressing and holding here. It's a really interesting, tiny little chicklet of a watch, and it's available for about $10. It's the 116 Plus. Check it out.